Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. And the first what we should check is you have the last software version. So open the application and right here at the bottom we have update firmware, tap on it and it will check for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one and it can fix your problem. Also, what we can do, I recommend it to go to sound effects, and if you select this equalizer mode, just change something else. It can fix your problem also. Next, it can help to fix this problem if you disable dual connection. This earbud support it, so just open it in the application and disable this mode. Maybe it also fix your problem. You should wait just about 10 seconds and then it will turn off. So, yeah. And the last one. If all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the bottom of the charging case we have this charging case button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashes red 3 times slowly. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list and all we need to do is just tap on it to connect them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!